In this video, you will see how you can edit a professional headshot for your profile. Like this. So let's open the Picsfast app and tap on Edit the photo. Go to Remove BG tool and remove the background of the image. Now select the white color for the background. Hit OK. To straighten the image, go to Tools and select Crop the tool. Now straighten the image according to your image. After that, go to Adjust tool and reduce the shadow of the image. Once it's done, hit OK. Let's see the before and after of the image. To save, tap on the download icon on top of the screen. That's it. If you want to edit your photos by professionals, you can visit our website or email us. See you in the next video.